It's a very special day in Spider-Man's life, the day when he first met Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat. He promised her to go on a date, so Peter races across the town to attend his date night. But his sparkle luck struck again as Spidey confronts the Vulture gang as they are planning to black out the entire city and rescue their boss, Adrian Toomes, from the prison. But Spidey realizes he is running late, so he quickly throws his webs, grabs the remote control and destroys it. And then he gets an idea. He captures the gang with his web and he rides on them, and with their feather wings, he begins to fly into the sky, skyrocketing the town to arrive at the restaurant in time. As if he stands Felicia again, she is liable to break into his apartment and pawn off all of his web shooters. Only 52 blocks, which is less than 5 minutes. So Peter grabs his clothes, which was attached to a nearby building, and while crossing, he sees the police. So he adds more webs around the criminals and drops them from the sky for the cops, and he rushes to take a shortcut. But again on his way, he sees a thief who is looting a flower shopkeeper. So he wastes no time and helps the old man. Peter runs through the buildings and walls while changing his clothes, and he is thinking what Uncle Ben once told him: with great power, there must also comes great responsibility. But when it comes down to it, Peter always finds himself failing the people he loves the most: Gwen, Mary Jane, Carly, and now Felicia. No matter how hard he tries, it never seems to be enough. Maybe that is why tonight felt so important, because just this once, he wanted to be there for somebody. So he tries his best to not to be late, and Peter finally arrives in front of Felicia. In her black dress, she is looking gorgeous, and Peter gets scared as he thinks he failed her again. But Cat tells her she accepted this date with the insurance. It's only 7:05. As a superhero, Peter is a real mess, which is why last night she broke into his apartment and set his old watch half an hour ahead. As she figured out, Peter is late for everyone, but sometimes the right person is worth the wait. It is her Parker sense, and Peter also agrees. Felicia Hardy is his true hero, and the two lovebirds go on to continue their date. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.